582! Let's go, dude. Oh my god. So I think I did... No, I did yellow cross. So cross pieces here, 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 and here. So the first pair I planned was the red and blue. And then there was nothing else I can see at the moment. So I'm gonna do the cross solution like this. Oh. And then as soon as I finish that, I just insert this with keyhole. And then I go ahead and saw the orange and blue, insert it like that. Then I'm gonna do red and green. And then I'm gonna insert the free pair of green and orange. Then I had an easy OLO case, which turned out to be a PLL skip with a U2 AUF. So TPS 686, I think, I remember, and 40 moves. Nice.